Collaboration is a gold mine. You must dig deep for it. Collaboration is one of the most important things for a successful business or an individual. It helps to enhance creativity, build trust, and open up new opportunities of success. No matter what industry you are in, collaboration can help you. For example, if you are a freelancer in the advertising industry, collaboration with others, creative people, it creates a place where it helps you develop better ideas and save time on research. If you are an entrepreneur in the food industry, collaboration with your suppliers could help you find better deals on ingredients or equipment and save money on overall cost. It also employers to be better in understanding various projects, and it also helps them learn more skills. It can help us develop better relationships with our colleagues, and this is because when people work together, they can share their experiences and learn from one another, making their work more efficient. Now, how can it be used to create an inclusive environment that benefits everybody? This tool creates an collaborative work environment because it makes everyone feel more comfortable and engaged. How do you ask? Creating an environment where people help comfort each other in their views and thoughts on various matters. This is beneficial for everyone involved. How can I start to collaborate, you ask? Well, first, with a conversation. You must think it's possible to have a conversation when you disagree. But this is where you're wrong. While it may not be possible right now, it will become easier as time goes on. Number two, for example, when writing a song, you must listen to the lyrics of your music before you start writing. When listening to the lyrics, make sure that you're expressing your thoughts and feelings about what you think is being said. You should also be paying attention to the melody and the rhythm of your song to understand how best to address your listeners. Also, make sure you are using your strengths, and remember that the best songs do not always come from a person's strongest skills. They can come from a person's weakest skills. Now, what do these feelings show about yourself? Collaboration is changing how we work and how it can be used to create an inclusive environment that benefits, once again, everybody. So remember, use the art of collaboration and continue creating and adding value to other people's lives. I'm Kerry Ruff.